Do you want to know how you can log into your Xero Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Xero Payroll account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser and go to the search bar to search for Xero Payroll Login, and then click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to this place where you can see the login option. Go ahead and click login, and you can write down your email address in the first box, so go ahead and write it down and go to the second box and write down your password. Make sure your password is correct and is associated with your Xero account. Then go ahead and click log in, and this way you can successfully log into your Xero Payroll account no matter where you are. So you can see that there is option of forgot password and can't log in. If you are having any kind of problems about your password, you can click on these links over here. And if you want to sign up for a new account, this is the link for you. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye and take care.